I see your calendar filling up. We are in a time in November where it's November, December, and a lot of events are popping up, whether it is for fun, whether it's for your friends, with your friends, your family, your company, holiday parties. That is the most time where you see a lot of holiday parties or just going out in general because a lot of people are image conscious, definitely around this time. So, with that being said, I know you're feeling the pressure about what to wear. You want to look good, but you're just not sure, or you're not really inspired on what to wear, how to wear, what color palettes to put together. So, you know what we do at MIIEN Consultancy? We put together a outfit report every 60 days where we look at our analytics on what is the popular outfits. Now, if you're just now tuning in, you're just now catching us, we did a previous one. It was September. That was our very, very first one. And I really like it. I got a lot of feedback when it comes to our personal clients and our community in person because number one, not everyone finds us or talks to me is very big online. But Pinterest is our number one platform, and Pinterest is one of those social medias where you don't need a big following, but you do have like this sector of people who do just stumble across your content for ideas or whether they're shopping, whether they need information, or maybe they're just a bystander. Maybe they just were talking to me at the event like they normally do, and I tell them to go check out, our Pinterest, and then they see our Pinterest profile and see how it's kind of structured like a online magazine, which is actually the goal. So with that being said, we have structured that, and you know what, we're going to keep this momentum going. I really, really like the momentum of looking at data analytics. I mean, that's my background. I do that when it comes to fashion retailers and just finding the trend within people's behavior and kind of just sway. I'm not going to say that is all I do, but it does help shape and kind of builds a better bond when it comes to your internal customers. That's only for retailers. But when it just comes to the web, the wild wild web, I just want to provide a better opportunity so that you can be more confident in having an intentional type of selection when it comes to your wardrobe. So, with this alpha report, we're going to dive into what were the top 5 looks, why it works, how it works, why it works, the summary of it. Can you wear it personally, professionally? Right here. So let's get right on into it. Before we get right on into it, how dare I? This is our Pinterest right here. We definitely don't just do, outfits. We also have some content, whether you're learning, whether you're solely on Pinterest, you can get a variation of style inspiration based off of my styling or other brands so that I can know where and what is too much on the flashy side, what's the reference. There's just so many layers that I like to just unpeel and get to know with people. So I do that, and also just having a lot of fun with your style. You have to learn people's style, not just say, oh, I want that. I definitely unpeel a lot of layers. So Pinterest is our most driven and most high traffic type of social media. So we like to use that as a visual aid a lot of times when it comes to our audience and when it comes to our clientele. This is where we start. I definitely let my customers know to create a lookbook, go through our platform and then start repinning what you like. And then when we have our sessions, we would talk about why you like it and what about it you like, and kind of just dissect it. So if you're not following us, definitely go follow us. This is our account now. All right, so y'all ready for the breakdown? I definitely am. Baby, I'm just giving you a preview. We are really like that girl over there. This is all organic content and you will like it. So let's get into the looks. There's no particular order on this one.